It was fantastic having it here at the library because it actually opened it up for the public, but it also encouraged the staff to talk about it. So we talked about it at our team meetings, and it engaged staff in more open conversations, and also encouraging them to speak to the public and encourage the public to have a look at it while it was here in the library. So while the elephant was here, we organised with Council's OHS rep, who was preparing a health and wellbeing day for the council depot staff. So that's all the staff that work outdoors, and it was part of the day. So it actually created some conversations and started conversations during that day with a lot of the males that were attending the health and wellbeing day, and there was a lot of positive responses that came out of that as well, and things about the fact that it had made them think. I think some of the statistics, because we actually printed out some information about the domestic violence statistics for our area, and people were actually blown away by how high the domestic violence rate is in our community. And I think that's one of the reasons why we also wanted to have it here in our community, to start those conversations, to try and make a really big difference and reduce those numbers. Well, we approach them, so we've got the gender equity group that involves lots of different organisations around the community. So we also worked with Tara from Swan District Health as well, and she has lots of connections. So between us, we engage with different organisations and encourage them, saying this is a great opportunity, it's here. And a couple of times we had organisations say yes, they would take it, but then they didn't come and collect it. So encourage them to actually make the effort, or even organising for it to actually get to somewhere else, helped to actually get it out to the broader community. As you know, it's titled Elephant in the Room. It was a really great way to actually start those conversations that really need to be had in our community. The fact that we can get it out to so many different places in the community, like the hospital at the moment, the council offices, the library. The library has around 200 people coming through it a day, so even if people weren't necessarily stopping to have the big conversations, they were still seeing it and seeing the information, and I think it still started those thought processes for people that then hopefully led to further conversations down the track. I think understanding your community is very important. Knowing where they're actually at with specific topics, and for us, not pushing things in people's faces, because then you get pushback from the community. So we've found that things like having the elephant in the room, which is there, people can choose to interact with it or not interact with it,